Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about cavity feature in SolidWorks. And also I am going to explain 3 applications of cavity feature. So I have taken a simple assembly of simple block and a flash drive. So I am going to show the exploded view. See, so I have assembled these 2 components. One is immersed or merged into the other component. So we have to keep these 2 components in assembly mode. Here we have to go to edit component. So we have to edit the block. Now we have to select the cavity feature. So since we are in a assembly mode, the component is transparent. Right click and select this component and say OK. So now it is asking for bodies. So we have to select bodies and say body 1. See the blue color highlighted. Since we are creating cavity on the block. Now come out of the edit mode. Let's see in the exploded view. See, there is a depression. So this is how we create a cavity for injection molding. So this is one application. Second application is blow molding. So we can two cavities to create a blow molding. So second application is blow molding. Next, third application is this is a EPS or thermocol sheet used for packaging this flash drive. So when I make this transparent, see here. So this is how we do the packaging and this is placed inside the carton box. So this is the third application. See, one thing I want to show you. See, flash drive, if it is a single component, if it is a plastic component, we can straight away use as a part file. But if it is an assembly, we are using for packaging. So there is a top cover and bottom cover. So we have to assemble this component and save this assembly file as a part file. So I will show in the assembly mode. So we have to save this assembly file. We have to select save as and we have to select part file. So the assembly is converted into SolidWorks part file. Then we have to insert this part file into assembly. So that's how we use it for packaging. So these are the three applications of cavity feature. One is injection molding cavity mold, and second one is for blow molding, third one is for packaging. Right side you can see the packaging. Thanks for watching.